Okay.
Focused.
Do we have to trace the shape on the black part, on the black paper?
Nope, you can just put the paper on top of it and just cut through it. That's what I did. So I just kind of, just put it right on top like that, and I just cut it right onto the paper. So.
Like this, Dr. Henry?
Yep, put it right on the paper. Yeah, just cut. So line it up.
We start where the red begins, right?
That's right. You cut on the red lines, right? And you fold on the dash lines.
Alrighty then.
What if you don't have the glow sticks? Are you not able to do this lab?
You can do most of it. You just, I want you guys to do the one part with the glow stick, and all you need is one glow stick.
I bought 2 packs of glow sticks because I thought you didn't give us none on the kit.
Well, that's good. You'll have extra, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna need one glow stick for this lab. So
if you don't have the glow stick, excuse yourself now and then come back later.
right, go get your little glow stick. It costs you $1.
All right, bye.
At the 99-cent store.
For sure.
And you have time, right? Because it takes you a minute to cut the stuff out.
Yeah.
Do we have to have our camera on?
While you're cutting? Yes. I want to see you. I want to see those skills. This is a lab.
This is like kindergarten.
Right? I want to see those beautiful faces.
Oh my God.
I'm sure we all miss when this was all that school pertained of, cutting shapes.
I know.
Oh, I miss that for sure.
Ella.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
Is this middle school, elementary school, high school, college? We keep cutting.
That's right. Well, you're going to have to do it regardless. You never get rid of it, you know? That's a skill that you never can get rid of. You have to be able to cut. But at least you're
done with school.
Right? You don't have these special scissors that I'm sending to you.
Professor?
Yes.
Where do we find the list of like all the stuff that we need for labs like today and like in the future? I've been looking and I don't know where it's at.
Okay, so I'll put it up. I had emailed it to you at the very beginning of the semester. I emailed you guys all the list. But let me put it up on Canvas.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And did you get your kit?
I did get my kit. I just didn't have I didn't know we needed glow sticks for this lab, so I can't do it today. I think there was some in the lab kit, right?
It depends on Harnell. They didn't include it in their lab kit. And so that's why I had it on the list. But we included it in ours, and I'll try to get them, if I teach for them again, I'll try to get them to start including.
Yeah, this is Selena's already minimum, you know what I'm saying?
Xavier,
Glow sticks.
come here, please.
Dr. Henry.
Yes.
Oh, I missed parts of the what you guys doing. What were we supposed to do? Like the cut the thing right here?
Yeah.
I missed parts of it, so
It has the image of it says paper craft spectrometer.
oh.
Check, it's all the way in the bottom. There's like a red bowl. I have my glow stick there. Bring it, please.
So it looks like this. And then you're going to have a black paper.
Dr. Henry.
Perfect.
That's all right.
We didn't print ours in color, so did we cut in the right spots?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes, you did.
Okay, and then we just fold the rest, right?
Yep.
All right, thank you. Do you glue this or tape this to the black paper?
You can glue it or tape it. I actually just use it as, I use it as a guide. So I just kind of have it on I just have it all connected, you know, so.
So you could just have it glued to it?
That's right.
Thank you.
No problem.
So this area, right? Just these?
Yep, that's right. And I need to get Harnell a more modern copy of the And so you also need your diffraction slide because you're going to cut that out and then you're going to use that as your lens for your spectrometer. And so where it says your DVD, you're going to use your diffraction slide.
Dr. Henry, do we cut this middle part right here too?
Is it in red?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you're going to cut that.
Professor, you have another lab session at 7 o'clock today, right?
I do. Yes.
Okay, so I'll come back to that one. I'm gonna go get the
The supplies?
yes.
Look,
Okay.
I'll actually see if I can just find that list because I'm looking for it right now. And I can't.
Okay, I just found the email. I don't know why I didn't see that.
Okay, perfect. So then that means I don't have to find it, but I'm going to try to put it on there. So because I keep asking for the same things.
Thank
For
you.
this lab, is all you need is extra is a glow stick.
Glow stick, yes. That was the only thing that you need. That's going to be extra. And tape and scissors, right?
Okay,
Right.
thank you. I'll be back at 7.
Okay, I'll see you at 7.
Good job on lab safety, Nate. I'm proud of you.
With your
Hey,
hand.
Cole, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
You seen them?
You took a look at that question?
Yeah, it appears that there's just no answers inputted for the two other parts of it.
So that would make it kind of hard to answer anything, right?
Yeah,
So I wonder what happened because it was something there at first.
right.
So that was the one about whether it's a molecule or.
Yeah.
Is this tape fine?
Yep.
Dr. Henry?
Yep.
So when you get to this part, right,
Yeah.
do you fold that or?
Yeah, you fold it. Yeah. And then if you take a look at it, it says valleys and what is it? Valleys and mountains.
Okay, thank you. Hold on.
Dr. Henry, I don't have this paper, only I have that one.
No, you should have this paper here. You should also have black paper.
Oh, all right.
So like, okay, so we cut this part like that.
Yeah.
And then we just fold it, or do we have to?
Yeah, you fold it and then you're going to tape it as well. So, and then you see where you see the little slit parts, like these areas here, right? So you have like little slit parts.
On
My
mine?
note doesn't have those. It's different.
Yeah, mine doesn't have it either.
Yeah.
Look, it's not colorful. It's just like blank.
Yeah. Okay, so in this case, like yours, so hold up yours again, right? So do you see that big square? The
This
big
one?
square? No, the other side. No. The big square. Look on the other side. The big square. You see the square?
This one?
Yeah, that guy. So that's where you're gonna put. That's where you're gonna be putting your lens, right? So
Okay.
that's where you're gonna put this guy at. So you're gonna tape that on the inside of there, right? And then you see that the little line, the one, yeah, right there. So you're gonna make a little cut in that area right there. So that's the same thing as our little red cut right here. That would be the exact same thing that would happen right there with us.
Okay.
Okay?
Let me see if
So we're
I'm-
cutting a tiny window?
Yeah. So if you're at Hartnell, you're gonna cut a tiny window right there. Yes. So a little slit in this area.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
This jam right here is way bigger than this little square right here.
So that's where you're gonna cut it, right?
You cut this?
Yes, you're gonna
You're
cut that.
this? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So
So this way you guys didn't have to cut up a CD and peel it and all that stuff. This is a pill CD. That's all that is for you.
But I don't want to cut it. It's beautiful.
I know it's lovely, but you know,
We have to sacrifice it.
yes.
So like I have a question. Before we tape it, do we like fold up the parts and then tape it, or we tape it first?
You want to fold up the parts before you tape it.
Okay.
So I need to cut this square out?
Yeah, you have to cut that square out.
Okay.
That's complicated.
Just kind of
I
fold
feel
it and
retarded
cut it.
asking these questions, but okay, so we're cutting 2 windows out of this one and on the bottom.
That's right.
Why do you make it so complicated? I'm just playing.
This is easy. Come on, I can make labs complicated. Don't worry about it. You're just starting it out. Let's see. Let me show it to me, Aaron.
Ah,
I can't see. Okay, show me yours, Aaron. Because you said, does this look okay? Okay, good. So now you want to cut. You want to cut out where it says in that red line in there, and right there. This part's right here. You see it? Yeah, you want to cut those too. So kind of fold it so that you can cut it.
So there's 3 holes that I have to cut out, right?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
I should make a copy of it.
I had a
Does it look good?
7-year-old do this. So if you guys can't do this, I'm going to start talking noise about you.
Dr. Henry, does this look good?
That looks good. So now the next part is to cut out the, just cut out the little slits there. Hold on.
mine doesn't even have that little space. Do you guys have a little space?
Mine's like yours.
Mine as well.
That's because we got the Salinas version. They didn't even print it on color paper.
Nope, it's just black and white. Oh shit.
So after we cut, then we tape it onto the black paper.
Wait, where's that? Let me see yours real quick. Can you hold it up?
It looks different.
It looks way different.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, because yours is like color.
Well, she has that whole extra space on hers.
Yeah.
Like hers is like way big, way bigger than this one.
Did I miss cutting some parts off?
No,
Maybe
yours
I didn't.
is from ours. That's why.
No, ours is just different than yours.
So then after we cut the holes, we tape it on the black paper?
I believe so.
I have no idea anymore.
Let's see. Dr. Henry?
Gosh dang origami.
I don't understand what he wants us to do after we cut the holes, guys.
You have to fold it into like a little box. On the top of your paper, there should be like a little diagram. We're trying to fold it into like these little boxes right here. So on all the lines, just
I don't think I have that diagram. Is that on a separate paper?
no, I think we got 2 different papers. Are you in Coalinga?
Yeah.
I think you guys got different papers than we got, but does yours say fold on it or have dotted lines on it?
Mine has dotted lines.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that you got to fold it along all the dotted lines and then it'll fold into like.
So after
That'd be
you
my-
like this window and like this one, because I believe mine and yours is the same. Do we just like start folding it in?
That's what I'm doing. I'm folding it right now, and then we have to cut in Salinas. We got to cut a little square out of this and slide it into that hole so that we could view it through that other hole.
Oh.
So,
And your guys' is on the black paper already? I didn't do that.
well, I taped it to the black paper. I just
So
cut.
you're-
I
okay.
used it as a template and set it on top of the black paper, and then I cut it around
I
it.
should have done that.
I just taped it together. You still can just set it on the black paper and cut around
So
it.
after you cut it, you just tape it together already, right?
Yeah, you fold it up into the little box and tape it so it stays, and then we're gonna slide that little like this piece into it.
How did you guys cut the window?
I don't know.
And whoever has the same one like me, be mindful. There's
This
two
is how
different
mine
ways. You're
looks.
supposed- On the one like this, if you don't fold it one of the ways, like the valley fold instead of the mountain fold, it's not gonna come out right.
You
No,
can
so
have
we
to like
just-
fold the part.
We could just grab a tube of toilet paper and put this thing at the end of it. Valley fold? What? Where did you see that at? Public?
But
Mine doesn't say valley fold on it. Oh yeah, you got the other. You're in the other instructions, huh? This is what ours looks like.
Yeah, that's how mine looks.
We don't need look. It's just
No, I don't have that.
Y'all
Notice-
lucky, man.
notice our color spectrum.
Yeah,
right
we didn't get. I didn't get that either.
You notice this color spectrum? That's how they took care of us over here.
Yeah. Hey, like on this little part that you have, we have to cut this little part, huh?
No, don't
yeah,
cut
no,
that.
that's the
But
part I'm
the-
saying. That the dashes is fold up instead of folding down.
Listen, Maria, that line that goes between those, you gotta cut though.
Okay, okay.
You know the not dotted line, the solid line? So hold it up real quick.
This one right here, watch.
Yeah, that diagonal one.
Yes, do we have
Yeah,
to
cut
it?
that. Cut that down, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Sorry, Brittany, what were you saying?
No, I was just saying where so on ours like this, I think it's the same thing where that like little dash line, those dash lines
Oh, okay.
is where you're supposed to do that weird like instead of folding the normal way, fold the other way. Because it almost looks like a little mini spaceship at the end, you see?
We're basically making a tube, right? It's like a tube.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go grab a toilet paper roll. I swear, it's already a tube. Just tape that on the end.
Hey Nate, you said the solid line, like this, like the straight line to cut that one, or
Yeah,
the
those
one that
ones
is
you cut.
okay.
I think it's supposed to be red, but they printed it on black and white paper,
Okay,
or they printed it in black and white paper. They printed it in black and white.
yeah.
Right, so what's the other school here?
It's Harnell.
Could we leave the white paper in there like that?
Yep. Yeah, but yeah, that's fine.
Dr. Henry, how do I cut the windows off because I don't want to mess this up?
So all I did to cut my windows out, I folded it. You see where
How did you fold
that
it?
line going across? That's your line to fold, right? So I folded it and then I just cut a little bit. So fold it. Can you see?
I can see it now.
Yeah.
Dr. Harry.
Wait, so fold it and
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
Does mine look right?
Funny. You can actually use the toilet paper. You just put a thing on the back and then, but it won't fit on your cell phone so nicely.
That's true.
Dr. Harry, do I have to cut like where is this line? Like the black line?
Yeah, you
Yes.
got to cut a slit.
Yeah, you gotta cut a little slit.
Oh, okay.
So
Yo,
Dr.
this
Henry, you said
turned
put
out
that.
way better than I thought.
Was that?
You said to put that on this thing right here.
Yep. That's gonna go on, yeah. That's gonna tape it on the inside.
So does it matter? How do we start like folding it? Or like I just had like I made a little window, the sliding
Yeah, you're
line.
doing it right. Now just fold each of those dotted lines over until you get like a tube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then tape it all together. This little slit is not gonna fit my eyeball.
Hey, Dr. Henry.
Yeah.
Hey, so when you get like this, is this right?
Yep. That's
And
right.
then this thing goes on this.
It goes on the inside and the front. Yes, perfect, right there.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't want to mess in the room.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Clean up your paper after you cut.
Dr. Henry? So
Yes.
we're putting our little rainbow paper. Are we to cut the plastic, just the plastic, and tape it on there? Or how do you want us to put this in the window?
So I would say cut it. Yeah. Yeah, so you're gonna cut that out, cut it out. And then you just tape it onto your window.
Here's a question. When we fold it over like this, does this piece go down on the outside or do we put it on the inside of this?
It kind of folds together, so it'll mount like this. So
tape
you
it
kind
down.
of bring it together. So it's kind of, let's see, kind of like a sandwich because it should be a little bit longer than the other.
Oh, you folded them out? You folded them the other way?
Yeah.
The valley fold.
Yeah, so one is a valley. Yeah, those are the ones.
Finish this just
Yeah, so the ones at the bottom are the valley.
So
So
fold
they're
them
folded the other way. Yeah.
Ah, that makes
That's
sense.
what I was talking about, Nate.
You're right, my bad. Mine just says fold up, but I don't think they know what direction you're holding the paper. So
How is it supposed to look once we finish taping it?
So after you finish taping it, it should look something like this. Let me tape mine real quick.
ooh, my damn is looking good.
Almost looks like a little spaceship.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a spaceship.
Like a little Mars rover.
Yep.
So then we tape like this part together, and then on this side, that's where we're gonna put like the little plastic thing.
That is correct. Yep.
Okay.
This is way better than studying for my statistics midterm.
See, I told you it's therapeutic, right?
It is.
It should look like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
This isn't good if you're a perfectionist.
Fortunately, I'm not, so I don't have to worry about that.
I am trying to do it perfect, and I'm getting like
I am. Look at that.
this.
That's a perfect right angle square. Oh yeah, baby.
No, 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 no. This is low-key gave me anxiety.
So everything that we cut is supposed to be red, right? We do not cut the dotted lines.
That is correct. The dotted lines are your folding lines.
Oh, my homie Yari is colorblind. You might want to catch him before he tries to do this lab on his own.
Well, it doesn't matter because your guys is in black and white. So
Oh yeah, that's true. Huh? Selena's baby.
So the last step is just taping the other side, right? The side.
Yep.
You got a
You
big
tape
old
the ends, yeah.
Okay, so do you fold D down first, like on the back, you fold it down and then? That's what here.
all together.
Man,
Dr. Henry, did I cut the first window right?
let's see.
Oh,
So who said that?
Me.
Okay, so flip it over. I think you got carried away with the cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, you made it a little too wide, but that's okay. It'll work.
Dr. Henry, is this correct?
That looks beautiful. Yes, beautiful spaceship. Good job.
I don't have good cutting skills, that's why.
Does mine look correct as well, Dr. Henry?
Okay, so who was that?
Aaron.
Aaron. Okay, so let me find you, Aaron. Okay. Usually you guys pop up on my screen when you're talking.
You know, I used to make a lot of pipes out of things back in the day, and this.
Oh, really?
This
We're not
back, Dr. Henry.
Okay, Aaron, I still can't find you. Hold on.
Here, should I talk so my bubble?
Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Yes, that looks good.
How about mine?
Let's see.
Oh, she did it in black. That's fire.
So those two slits on the back side are supposed to end up each other?
Yeah, that's gonna be like your little window, your viewing windows.
I'm just gonna tape my piece on the outside so I don't have to cut it.
So I folded this window right here. And this is where we insert the scissors in now, or?
Yeah, and yeah, you just kind of cut along those lines. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Red line. Yep.
Yeah.
Dr. Henry. So like for this part, do we have to tape it or we just like?
Yeah. So the only thing is that you could tape it, but you need to fold those guys out. The bottom ones, they need to be folded out, not in. You understand? So it should be like a sandwich meeting together, you know?
Like this.
Oh,
okay, okay.
That's how we tape it. Oh, okay. Because it says fold up. Okay, so let me see.
Yeah, I know it's kind of weird how they write it. So
It looks like the pit bull terrier from Friday After Next.
yeah, it does.
Can I just do it with like this on the outside?
You really don't want to cut that, huh?
No, I already taped it shut and I forgot to put that piece in.
It should actually work. It should work on the outside as well too.
Okay, good.
Okay, so before we tape it, we put the little plastic thing inside, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be like Nate.
Oh, it goes inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Dr. Henry, once we finish the box, what can we do to prep for the rest of the lab? Like, what do we?
Take a 5-minute break.
You want to connect it to your cell phone camera?
Okay, so when we're ready to do it, what are we doing?
It's really hard to look through this with goggles on, though.
Take your goggles off.
Wait, man, I'm in the lab safety group. Got to represent.
Stop fighting.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
Once we're done folding it and we start cutting the window, do I start it from here?
I'm cutting the window.
Say that again.
Here? Once we're done folding, do we start from here?
No. You don't want to cut from the outside. You want to cut just that middle part. That's it.
How do I do that? I can't.
Yes, you can. You just fold
Fold
it
it and cut it like you're cutting a half moon.
Yes. So as a little kid, didn't you do the little, hold a piece of paper? Can you guys see my screen? Let me.
I
Can
did it
you
with
see
the
me?
knife.
And then all you need to do is cut like a little slit like that. And then you just kind of fold it back and cut like this.
Right.
That's it. And so you'll get a nice little box in the middle like that. Although mine's a
Right.
big box.
Yo, this is tough. It's looking good.
You guys make me laugh.
Oh, the tape is gonna go on top of this, right? Like like our little clear square
Yeah.
for the inside. Kind of like
But
we're gonna. Are we gonna put like the tape on top of this like that?
No. So you want to tape it because you're going to tape it to that little window, right? Yeah. So you don't want to put tape there. You're going to put the little diffraction slide. So you're going to cut that out. The guy from this guy. You're going to cut it out, and then you're going to take that, and you're just going to tape it to the outside so it's not touching. You don't want it to cover the window, right? Because that window is going to be used to view the spectrum.
How does it look?
So we need to work on your scissor skills there, Alan.
Yeah, they're too
Dr.
big.
Henry, we're going to send you back to kindergarten.
Yo, my jam is perfect. I'm gonna
Okay,
mail it.
that looks good. Yeah.
You could use it as an example for future classes, okay?
Perfect. Fortunately, I'm recording this, so we'll have it.
Am I supposed to cut this?
Look at this poor monstrosity.
Yes, that little slit. You're gonna cut that little slit. So you're just gonna kind of fold it a little bit and make a little slit there.
Okay, so just put the dark line.
Yeah, that really dark line in the middle. Yes, you're gonna cut that. Yeah.
Okay, and then once we're done, once we got it all together, now what?
Okay, so now you want to test it out.
Hold it up to our cell phone camera.
Yep, or you can use your eyes first. And a lamp or some light.
Oh, and these glow sticks for what?
Yeah, you're gonna use the glow sticks. That's gonna only use one of your glow sticks.
Oh yeah, glow sticks. What do we do with the glow sticks?
So you want to record the color of the glow sticks, and then you also want to record the spectra. So you want to take a picture of the spectra of that glow stick.
Does the color of the background matter? Like,
Does the color of the background matter?
Like, do you set the glow stick on like a white paper or black?
No, it does. It should matter. It should be a white paper should be fine. Because all you're using it as a light source. And so find a dark spot to do it in, though, because it shows up better.
Okay, so I have my glow stick and I have my little spaceship looking thing here.
Okay.
Now what?
Then you should be good to go. So you want to just test it out, see if it works. So first try it on just the regular light source, some type of light source.
Dr. Henry, so this ones go outside, right?
What was that?
Like this parts go outside or inside?
Okay, let me see. That is
Daisy.
Daisy. Okay,
Yeah. Like
hold
this
on,
part?
Daisy. Let me find you. Keep talking.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
this
there we
part
go.
goes, outside or inside?
Okay, so let me make you the spotlight.
My glow stick's purple. Then when I look at it through the thing, it's still purple.
Okay, show me again, Daisy.
Yeah.
Hold
this
it up
part,
to your.
like,
Okay, I see. Yeah. So they're technically gonna fold off like kind of like a spaceship. So it's gonna be folded back. You understand? Do you see mine?
yeah.
Yeah. So where they're folded down. So those guys are folding down, and the one that's on top folds over it. So it's, yeah.
Oh, it works better if you look at it upside down.
Dr. Henry, where do we make the cut? Is it on the end or on the square?
Where? Let's see, that was Angie.
Yes, where do we make the cut? Is it on the line or on the square?
It's gonna be on the little line and
Okay.
on the square. So both
Okay.
of them.
Do we cut the square out?
Yep, you wanna cut a little square out.
Okay, thank you.
Study, dude. Seriously.
So are we recording like all the colors we see through our phone and through our eyes?
Yep. So what colors do you see?
Blue.
The whole rainbow.
Yep.
But mostly red, green, and blue. Those are the colors I see the most.
We're gonna make lunch after this, Bubba.
So is this good? Like if I use this glow stick then?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see, that was
Maria.
Maria. Okay. Okay, find a dark spot to do it because it'll show up better.
Purple.
And we're looking at our glow stick in the dark.
Yep.
And then from there, we're just gonna be recording it in the dark, right?
Yep. I'll use your phone to do it. Yeah. So you want to connect your little spectrometer to your phone.
And then that's the thing. Are we gonna submit or?
Yep. You're going to submit that, and then also you're going to answer the question. So you're going to use that to do the calculations, and I'll show you how to do the calculations later because we haven't got to that point yet, but we will get there.
So to use it on a dark spot, that means like we have to like take our computer so you can see, or we could just like go to the restroom and or
You can go to the restroom. Yeah, you don't have to take your computer. 'Cause at this point, I saw you complete the hard part of the lab. Good job, Maria.
My color is not really changing though.
It doesn't change at all. You still get the same color.
Same. I'm
much.
looking at a green one and it still shows up green.
So you guys are not seeing a spectrum? No, you're not going to see a different. You're not going to see a different color for the. So what you're going to do is you're going to use it as a light source. So if you pulled it up to the to your white light, you should see all the colors, right? Of course, I put mine in the wrong direction.
It worked better in a light room when I looked outside. When I go in the dark room, it don't really.
Well, don't look. You're not going to look directly at it because it's going to be a diffractive. If you look towards the side a little bit.
Yeah, it was red and green to the side, the dark.
Yeah, I see like reddish, greenish, or even to one end of the spectrum. So what do you want us to record, Dr. Henry?
So you want to record the spectra. So that's what you're looking at. You want to look.
So we're going to use our phone to look inside that little hole?
Yep.
I got purple, blue, and red.
So you have purple, blue, and red for yours. What color is your green, your glow stick?
Purple.
Purple? Okay.
I got purple, blue, green, and red.
Okay.
I don't know if
Hey,
my
Dr. Henry.
cell phone's gonna pick it up, but I'll try.
Dr. Henry.
Hi.
Yep.
I'm on the Zoom on my phone, so I gotta get off to record it.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so I was trying to get my thing, so I wasn't really. So I just take the glow stick in a dark room and then take a picture with it through my phone of the light, right?
Yep.
Okay. Video. Do that real quick.
Well, we also have to take a
'Cause
picture.
what we want is the spectra. So you want to try to get the spectra. So you're going to use your phone to try to get the spectra.
What if we can only get the spectrum looking at like a lamp instead of the glow stick? Because with the glow stick, I don't think there's enough light.
There is. You just got to get it at the right angle. Trust me.
Can you get those glow sticks from me now?
Is it all right if the spectrum is all the way to the side of the?
That's where it's typically at.
Oh, okay.
So you may have to shift it to actually see your spectrum. So you're not looking directly at the light, you're kind of looking as the light is coming off.
Do we have to take a picture then, you said?
Yep.
Okay.
So you use your camera.
It's kind of look blurry.
What was that?
Oh, it kind of looks like blurry.
Blurry? There you go.
How do you turn it off? I'll just say that back over. Can you give me one more glue?
Dr. Henry?
Yeah. Plain picture of glow stick. This is how my picture came out, Dr. Henry. It's not very good.
So
sorry.
Try again. You'll get it. There's just that little technique, right? So you want to get it so that it's showing your spectra, right? So you may have to, you may not look directly at the light, like look towards the side.
Dr. Henry, is this good? That picture?
Let's see.
Dang, his is like perfect, man.
Let me see it. I haven't seen it. Okay, so that was Sergio.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second.
Sergio, can you forward me that picture, G? My background?
Okay, I'm gonna go try it again.
Okay, what was your secret, Sergio?
It was
I
like,
have iPhone 6.
like I don't know, it was like
Xavier, come here, please.
Dr. Henry, this is my picture.
See, that's a good one too.
the color is like bluish, purplish, and then like yellow at the end.
Xavier,
Yeah.
come here. This is
Yeah,
my.
that's good. That one turned out really good.
Is this fine or I have to retake it?
What are you guys doing?
Yours I would retake, although it looks like, because you're not getting the full spectrum from it, you're getting mostly just the glow stick.
My colors is orange, green, and purple, Dr. Henry.
The computer one.
Dr. Harry, is it better if we take it in the dark or?
Yes, it is. It comes out better in the dark.
Okay.
Let me try again.
Wait, so you're not supposed to point it right at the glow stick?
No, yeah, don't point it right at the glow stick, because usually it's the light that's coming off is that we're looking at. We're looking what's being emitted.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Dr. Henry, will there be like a lab where you put this information and pictures in?
Yeah, there. What it is, there's if you guys go to, let's see, there's a Spectra workbench. You're gonna actually put the pictures in there, and then it's gonna calculate which spectras are showing up, which wavelengths.
Let me finish my plan.
So you guys all have, technically, you guys all have different colors that you're working with, right?
Yes.
Different color glow sticks. So you shouldn't have the exact same spectra because not all the same colors are being emitted.
Oh, I know, just in case.
Dr. Henry?
Yep.
I fell behind right now, but I'm already ready to put the box together.
Uh-huh.
So what goes in first? Does this go first?
Yeah, you want to put that in the put that in that main window right here, the very top.
So like this?
Yeah, it's going to cover that part right there. So you want to put on the inside of it. Yes.
So do I have to give it a trim or no?
Yes, you're gonna have to cut it out to do that, right?
Right.
Really hard, man. This shit ain't working. Excuse my language. Sorry.
So what do we take a picture of? The glow stick and what else?
Yes.
And you want to do white light, like a lamp, and then you also want to do outside.
Okay.
Dr.
So,
Henry,
Dr. Henry, is this kind of what it's supposed to?
Yes,
That's what
that's
I
exactly what it's supposed to look like. Yes.
Dr. Henry, this is what I got after my like third attempt.
Third, I'm on like 35.
Yeah, you just pointed. That's what I feel like. That's I was pointing it right at it. And wasn't getting it, but as soon as you like turn away from it,
yeah,
is when I got.
I want to do it again.
I think Martinell gave us clear pieces of plastic.
Because on this one I see like a red, orange, and green color only.
Yeah, red, orange, and green.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so that's the what you should be seeing, like multiple colors. You should be like seeing.
I only see like green and blue. Is that okay?
Yeah, it depends on your glow stick. So it really just depends on the glow stick that you have. So
And after this, what are we supposed to do?
so you also want to do white light, right? So that's like the light in your room, your lamp.
You're gonna help me through it and take your tablet away. I don't want you.
So we have to do a total of 3?
Yeah, so you want to do the sunlight, you want to do the lamp, and you want to do your glow sticks. No, you don't have to do all glow sticks because you want to have 2 glow sticks later on for another set of experiments. So you only want to use one of your glow sticks.
And then you said the sun too. Right?
Yes, and don't look directly into it.
Okay, so now.
I'm not responsible if you go blind. I'm going to say that you did that doing other things.
There's too many fingers.
Hairy palms.
You know. I've been staring at the sun for 20 minutes. Am I doing it wrong?
Okay, you're gonna have to.
Right, let me get the sun.
My iPhone is not built for this. Okay. Oh. Whatever.
Dr. Harry,
Yep.
for mine, should they have to, it's not okay, like this picture? Or should I try
That
it?
is interesting. And no, that's fine. It's just, it looks a little smoky.
Oh, I saw a color.
Perfect.
I'm just taking heck of pictures of this in case the colors don't come back. All right. These are the best pictures I'm gonna be able to get right here.
Oh, look at that. Not bad.
Okay, so this is what you guys are gonna, it's gonna look. So if you look at the top, oops. You see the spectra at the top?
Yeah. Do I have to have 3 pictures in total?
You should have one of your lamp, one of the sun, and one of your glow stick.
Lamp, sun, glow stick.
What I got out the sun, Dr. Henry, there's just like slight color to one end. Is that appropriate or should I try again?
I would try again. You want to kind of shift it around a little bit because then the spectra will come out and you'll see it, like just line it up with your phone. And this is the light from my room. So you're going to see something like this. You guys see that?
Dr. Henry, the one for the glow stick, my room was like the darkest one out of the whole house because I have like black curtains, but it didn't, I mean light still pops up on it, but the glow stick is in the back. I don't know if you can see it.
That's fine. That's what you're gonna see.
Okay.
I think I folded my paper the wrong way.
I thought mine was good, and now I realize it doesn't work.
What do you think you folded the wrong way?
This
Henry.
should this be on the outside or on the inside?
No, that's just to show you what you're gonna be seeing. Like if
Oh,
you
okay.
have,
Okay, got it.
if you're an example. Okay.
I'm not seeing many colors, so I thought maybe I folded it the wrong way.
Dr. Henry, so we need 3 pictures, right? One from our glow stick, one from like a lamp, and then one from the sunlight?
That is correct.
Okay.
So this is from a lamp. Is this okay? This was,
That is beautiful.
I got like a blue, green, yellow, and a little bit of orange on
Let
the
me see, let me
bottom.
see.
That is good. That is really good. Yeah.
Okay, so now I have to go outside.
If I look through mine, I can see colors, but when I try to take a picture through mine, I don't get any colors.
You need to move your phone around a little bit.
I've been moving my phone for like 30 minutes now. It's not
Come
happening.
on, you can do it. It's that technique.
I got so many pictures on here. This is ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not working. Let's see.
Once we get those 3 photos, what would the next step be?
So the next part of it is that you're going to calibrate your photos. So you want to use the one like the sunlight or the lamp, and you're going to use that as a calibration, right? And so you're going to put it into, it's called Spectral Workbench. The link, I haven't activated the link, but the website is down there at the bottom of the page on the lab. Is the lab showing up for you guys?
Modified spectroscopy.
Yes.
My lab is that fine? Oh, we could see.
Okay.
So we upload the photos once we've taken them, we upload them to that website, and we get the data from that website. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yeah.
Dr. Henry?
Yep.
Okay, so I did mine outside. I don't know if you can see. Sorry.
I don't see colors. Do you see colors? 'Cause I
Yeah,
can't tell.
there's like a little rainbow kind of going.
Oh, I see it
on
over there in the
side.
corner. Yeah, I see it now.
Oh.
Right there. Yep. Okay.
And then this is the one with the glow stick.
That one, I don't see the colors either. So right now.
No, it's just
It might
all
be-
purple.
Okay, so then you want to try to get it so there should be a couple of colors that you see. Particularly for
Okay.
what color was your glow stick?
Purple.
Purple? Yeah, so you should
Yeah.
get primarily there should be violet, but you should also get a little bit of blue
Like-
and
Because this was another one, but I felt like that one was pretty bad.
you get I'm starting to see the blue with that. I see the purple, the blue. So if you shift it a little bit more, I think you'll have it.
The one
For mine, should I have more colors?
Okay, so that was Daisy.
Yes.
Let me go to see what you're showing me. Are you showing me something right now?
Yes, I am showing it to you.
Okay, let's see. So how many colors do you have there, Daisy? I think I see 3. I see a green, I see an orange, and maybe a red.
Yeah, like a yellow-ish.
Okay, yeah, so that's fine. That was from your glow stick?
Yeah, from the glow stick.
What color glow stick did you have?
Yellow?
Yellow? Okay, so that makes sense.
I have a question. This one's from like the outside. Is this fine? I see like 4 colors.
That's good, although you should see the whole spectra in theory
Yeah.
from outside.
Because the
You
one
get
from
every-
outside, I just got like 2 colors. It was just like blue and like purple.
From outside,
Yeah.
you should get everything from outside.
Okay, then I think I should try it again.
So was this horrible or was it cool? You
Does
like
that
it?
look okay, Dr. Henry? That's
This is
from the
cool.
light in my room.
Maybe I'm just colorblind. And I'm finding out right now.
Let's see, Vanessa. Let me pin you. Okay, so it's hard to tell because it's so bright because I don't see any other colors.
Oh, I see. It's fucking bending.
What colors do you see, Vanessa? Because I can't tell.
The middle part is just really bright, but towards the two ends, there's like purple and green and blue on both sides.
I see right there. Yeah. I see what you're saying. When you tilt it to the side a little bit. Can you turn your phone a little bit this way? Turn it.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. Yeah, so that's fine.
That's for the light in my room.
This is the one I got for the light in my room. Is this fine?
Wow, that is incredible. That looks good. Look at that. You guys see? I'm gonna put her like you.
I can't see it.
I'll
I
show
wanna
it.
see.
Hold on. Can you see it now?
Oh yeah. Oh
See how
wow, that is awesome.
Yeah, so that's really good. That's what we want to aspire to.
Okay. Now I'm deleting everything.
I tried green.
It's angle. It's all about angle because your first instinct is to go right where the light's at, and you don't want to go right where the light's at. And then also, when you're trying to get your camera, you need to turn your camera a little bit in your spectrometer to get the full color. Oh, crap. Oops.
So we're supposed to upload our spectrum, and what happens?
Yeah.
He said you haven't activated it yet, right?
Well, I went to the website, but I'm just curious, like.
Yeah, you can go directly to the website. I haven't. Let me fix it real quick so it'll be a link.
Like when you upload the file, it asks for like a title and all kinds of stuff. Are you supposed to add all that?
Yeah, so you just say what it is, give your name, you know, or you don't have to give your name, but your initials or something, you know.
And do we upload with selected calibration?
Hold on. Yes. Well, you want to. There's a link to how to calibrate, right? So, and what you're going to do is follow those instructions. And so, what you're going to do, you can select your calibration, right? So you can go sky, you can go whatever you're looking at in particular.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
I was looking at I think it was a yellow glow stick, and I got a picture that looks like this. Is this fine?
Let me see. Let me unpin. So who is that? Was that?
It's Edgar.
Edgar? Okay, let me go to your Edgar. Hold on. Problem with having such a big class sometimes. Can't find you. Get lost in the faces. Okay, talk again, Edgar.
All right, this is me talking.
Okay. Ah, I see it. Okay.
All right.
Add spotlight. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Yes.
Okay,
so
great.
That was outside, or was that?
That was inside for a yellow glow stick.
A yellow glow stick. So you're seeing some red, some orange, and some yellow.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit of purplish to me, I guess, but.
Do we crop the photos?
And I got this one for the inside light. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Okay.
That is good.
All right, one more and I'm done. Woo.
Yes, you can crop the photos to get them to go into that program.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
Where can we find the link for the website?
It's in there. It says Spectral Workbench. I'm going to make it into a link right now. I just wanted to.
Okay.
and just play with it to kind of get it to work out for you. Just play with it a little bit to try to get it. And if you guys are having trouble, then we'll talk about it on Wednesday a little bit. Just shoot me an email.
This is what I got like from the outside of my, like, you know, the, like a rainbow instead of the first picture.
Let me see.
I see like 5 colors. I see like a green, yellow, purple, blue, orange, red. Watch.
Yes, that's nice. That is really nice. Yep.
Dr. Henry, that link is in the models or where I find?
Here, hold on. Let me fix it. Let me put it into the assignment so you guys can just click on the link. So it wasn't too bad. Everybody, are you satisfied?
Dr. Henry, will this lab last till 5:30 or?
No. If you're done, you can go.
Okay, so we're gonna learn just later how to.
Yeah, we're going to learn how to do the calculations for your table, right? So, because each of you guys have different colored glow sticks, so you want to make sure that you tell me the color of glow stick that you're working with, right? And I should put that in the table content as well. Let me fix it quick.
Okay, so just to clarify before I go, just go to the website that you're gonna put on Canvas, or you can go off the paper and just upload 3 pictures of each glow stick, sun, and white light, right?
Yeah, and so you're going to use that to calculate the frequency. When you upload that, you should be able to align it to calculate your frequency. So the idea is to try to calculate the frequency. The other, so it's going to give you the wavelength, the actual wavelength. The other way of doing it is just try to do it by eye, right? See what colors are there, and then you estimate the wavelength. Okay, and so we'll talk about the 2 different ways of going about it.
All right, so what do we turn in right now?
So right now, all you needed to do was do the lab. So you want to save that right now. So on Wednesday, because we're going to be doing some of the calculations that are going to be needed for this, right? Hopefully, if we get to it, then we're going to talk about how to go about and do those calculations. So we're going to be talking about wavelength, we're going to be talking about frequency, and we're going to be talking about the speed of light.
This is on Thursday?
On Thursday. Sorry. Wrong class. On Thursday.
Okay, so all we're doing right now is just taking the pictures, right?
That's right. We want to collect the data. That's what we're doing today.
Okay, alrighty.
So everybody got their data?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the next thing I would say that you guys do, play with Spectro Workbench. Try to upload your pictures and see if you can get it so it gives you the wavelength that you guys are seeing. Okay?
Mine was giving me percentages. Is that what it is?
What was that?
Mine was giving me percentages, like 14%.
Yes.
Okay.
It should give you some percentages, but it also should give you where it's lining up at. Yes. So yes.
So Thursday on lab, we're gonna be doing that, right?
Thursday, we're going to be talking about it.
Okay.
We're going to be talking about some of those calculations in lecture.
Alrighty.
Okay.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Dr. Henry.
Okay.
All right. Thank
I
you.
will see you guys on Thursday.
Yep. See you.
Dr. Henry.
Yep.
So you
What was that?
Oh, I can find the link.
You can't find the link? Okay, hold on.
What did you put it under?
Is that going to be on modules?
No, it's in the assignment. It's lab 4, modifying spectra. If you go to that lab 4, modify spectroscopy, at the bottom towards the end of it, it gives you the instruction on how to do the entire lab. And then there's a link that says spectral workbench. Let me share.
Okay. You guys cannot use the iPad. I told you guys why.
Okay, so you guys should see this lab. Are you guys seeing this lab? Is it showing up? Lab 4?
If you go under grades, you can access lab 4.
Let me see.
It's not showing under modules.
I see mine under modules.
So like if we go under module, it's going to be where
see it
it says
too.
event activities, chemistry getting started, resources,
Should be under it should be under unit 1.
Unit.
Okay.
Okay, let me
It
see.
should be there. If it's not there, let me fix it. Let me see why it's not.
And then what
And this
chapter?
is
We're
March 12th.
It'll be under chapter 5.
no, yeah, because I don't see anything under chapter 5.
Okay, so let me fix
No,
that.
I don't
So
see
there's
it.
nothing there.
I just see like reading chapter 5 and
Uh-huh.
11, and then
Okay.
it has like the
The book information.
S and the little links. That's it.
Okay, so let me fix it so it's, let me find out what's up there.
And I already refreshed it too. So
Okay, give me a second.
I think I see it, Dr. Henry. Is it under where it gives all the directions of how to fold and everything? And then it says you will use your cell phone to record the spectrum for further analysis. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 has the link.
Let me see. Yes, I believe so. Hold on.
Number 5 says spectral workbench.
Yep, spectral workbench.
okay, I see lab 4 modify under grades, and then it said submit assignment.
I think that part's for the actual information, I think.
No, can you close the door with me?
Okay, so it should be
After the
right
lab.
under chapter 5. Chapter 5 and 11. Is it showing up there?
Okay, let me see. I see chapter 5 and 11.
Under modules?
Yes, there now.
It's there now? Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Let me see. Enter.
So the lab is doing Friday, huh?
Not this Friday, next Friday.
Next Friday?
Yeah, so this lab is due next Friday. The lab that's due this Friday is the simulation. Excuse me.
I collected all my pictures already. Do I just on my own time?
Yep, just play with the spectral workbench and then try to get those numbers. So then that way we can start trying to do the manipulation, calculation, to do the calculation.
Thank you.
So like on the one that you just posted for us to where it says modify is spectroscopy, on that one are we gonna like upload the pictures or we're gonna cut out the shape of a long, or that's the one we did right now, huh?
Yeah, so you just did that lab. So what you're gonna do next, so you're gonna submit your lab report. In your lab report, you're gonna have a table that's gonna have the different colors that you see for your different lights. So for your, let's say, white light, it should be the full spectrum, right? So you saw all those colors. And then you're also gonna have the wavelength for those lights and then the frequencies for those lights. Do you understand?
Let's see.
If you go scroll to the bottom of the assignment, it tells you what you're gonna need to put in.
Okay, let me see. Can I kind of like share my screen?
Yep.
Dr. Henry, better late than never, but finally got this done though.
Good.
Okay,
So what? So what's next? Now we got to go take the pictures of the
Okay.
sun.
All right. So let me see. Flip it. put it down a little bit so I can see your window?
Right.
Okay, good, good, good. Yes, that looks good. Okay. So now you want to take pictures. Yeah. So you want to take pictures of white light, the sun, and your glow stick. One glow stick.
Where we look at it, was it supposed to be taped?
No, it doesn't need to be taped over.
Okay.
You can see an empty window.
So
It'll work. You should be able to see it, but it won't be able to see it as clearly.
Yeah, I don't see it clearly, so I can just take off the tape then?
That's right. Yes.
All right.
Okay, so this is mine. So I click like, for example, submit assignment. This is what I get. Are we gonna click on this one right here? No. Okay, because so this one says visible light spectrum.
Those are just images. Those are, for some reason, it's not loading your images. So scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So wait. So that first link, right? The very first link, right there, that'll tell you how to assemble it, which you already did, right? If you scroll down further, yeah. So if you go back, scroll down further, and then you see where it says Spectra Workbench. You see that?
Right
Number
here.
5, yes, right there. Click on that.
Okay.
Okay, so now you're able to sit there and you can load your camera. I mean, what your image is up there, and then this tells you how to do it. This introduces you. You see that moving right here? It says Intro to Spectral Workbench. You're going to use that. That's going to help you how to upload things.
Okay, so we're gonna have to like create an account for this?
Yeah, you can. You can also just upload. Yeah, so to upload, you're gonna have to create an account.
Okay, so this is where we're gonna upload our 3 pictures.
That's right. And then, so you see, like, can you scroll down? You see how like somebody did the sky, an LED, sodium, a laser, and so you guys are gonna see. So this is. Let me just put it here. So a minute ago, Nathan loaded his, right?
Okay, so we're gonna put, for example, like the sky and then like the LED or.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. And then where it says load your image to determine wavelength of your different samples. And then right here where it says provide an Excel table with the samples, wavelength, frequency, colors, and energy.
Yeah, and I actually need to fix that. You can say Excel or Google Sheets.
Okay, and can you show us how are we gonna do this one for like the Excel or Google Sheets?
It's the same way that you did it the last time that you did it for the Mentos experiment.
Oh, okay.
But that part, the Excel part, won't be due to. Is that the one you're gonna go over on Tuesday?
Yeah, we'll talk about it on Tuesday or on Thursday. We'll start on Thursday and we'll probably finish talking about it on Tuesday.
Okay, so for this one, we're just gonna upload our 3 pictures. And that's it. We're not gonna.
Right now, you just want to save your 3. You're going to upload your 3 pictures to that site to do to get the information, right?
Okay.
And then after you get the information, we're going to use that information to make your table. So you're collecting the data to make the table.
Okay, and that you're gonna be teaching us on Tuesday how to do like the way
and how to do the calculations. Yes, because we haven't talked about it.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.